Hello friends, this is the third session on CAD modeling techniques made easy using CATIA software. आज के सेशन में हम इस पार्ट को क्रिएट करेंगे using different tools in CATIA V5 software. So there will be two parts of this session. First part में हम डिस्कस करेंगे how to create this part. Then in the second portion we will discuss how to create a production drawing of this particular part. Now, as we know that in mechanical industry, always when we are working on any kind of project, we have to prepare the production drawing of the part or assembly on which we are working. Always remember the drawings are of two types, that is machine drawing. Machine drawing basically user को help करता है only to understand the visualization of the part or assembly, but not the production. But ultimately when we are working in an industry, we have to deal with the design and manufacturing both. So as a engineer, we should be able to prepare the production drawing, understand the interpretation of various symbols. Many times when you are going for a job interview related to mechanical engineer profile, the employer asks you specific questions related to production drawing. So उसके key terms क्या होते हैं that you should understand. Now first of all, we will start with the modeling of this job. So as we can see here, we have been provided with two views, and from the drawing we can understand that this job is circular. So this is basically the cross section of the job, and this is the side section view. This is the section line from where the section view has been created. So here the direction of the arrow is towards right. So what I can interpret that the user is observing the cross section by viewing from this particular site. Now to create this job there are two methods. The first one is either we can create one by one sections, or the easier one is that first we can create the outer profile and then we can revolve this particular profile about a certain axis to get the outer contour. So let's start designing the part. So again, कैटिया में अगर हमें कोई भी पार्ट डिज़ाइन करना है, फर्स्ट हमें सेलेक्ट करना होगा पार्ट डिज़ाइन फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट मेनू. अगेन यहाँ पर हम इस पार्ट को कुछ नाम दे सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस से आई गिव इट अ नेम एज शाफ्ट. नाउ अगेन to create the sketch, I will select front plane, and first we will create the half portion of this particular contour. There is no need to create the total contour. So I will go to profile tool and then I will draw the outer profile. Now here मैंने यहाँ ये प्रोफाइल को नहीं क्रिएट किया है बिकॉज दिस प्रोफाइल इज़ अ सेपरेट पोर्शन. इसको हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्रिएट करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट I have to mention the necessary dimensions. So we will input the dimensions. Now we will modify these dimensions as per the drawings. So here we will go to edit multi constraints. Now this distance is mentioned as 20 in the drawing. Next, this diameter is total 25. So as we are drawing the half of the sketch, we will take the value as 12.5. So here I will input 12.5. Again, this distance is mentioned as 40 and this total diameter is 75. So we have to take 37.5. Then preview and then OK. So now we are ready with the half of the section. इसके बाद हम sketcher से exit करेंगे. Now to rotate this sketch, यहाँ पर we have a tool called as shaft, means revolve command. So revolve command किसी भी प्रोफाइल को एक certain axis से rotate करता है in a certain angle. Axis उस sketch की edge भी हो सकती है और you can also draw external axis. So I will go to shaft command and then I will select this particular edge for rotating the sketch. Now as you can see here, by default it is rotated in a angle of 360 degree. So in revolve command, the flow of the material is always circular. Now next we will create the cutouts present in the job. So first we will create this cutout. So if we draw the projection lines into the opposite view, we can see here that the diameter of the cutout is 60. Now here कई सारे डायमेंशंस में आप देख सकते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम द बेस डायमेंशन, डायमेंशन टॉलरेंसेस यानी कि डेविएशंस मेजर किए गए हैं. मीनिंग फॉर एग्जांपल, जब ये जॉब मैन्युफैक्चर होगा तो इसका डायमीटर 60 प्लस 0.15 and 60 means this diameter will be maintained between 60 और 60.15. इसके बीच में कोई भी वैल्यू एक्सेप्टेबल है. बट always remember, when you are modeling the job, you have to consider the base dimension. So I will take the dimension as 60 and how much depth it should be. So यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है 8 mm. So to create this cut मुझे यहाँ पर बैक फेस सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ये कट बैक से ओरिजिनेट हो रहा है. So I will select this face. I will draw a simple circle and then I will input the diameter. Diameter 60. Exit. And then to create the cutout, I will go to pocket. So here 8 mm मैं input करूँगा depth. So now we have this cutout. Next मुझे बनाना है ये front cut. So यहाँ पर इसका diameter मेंशन किया गया है 20 and the depth of this cut is from the front face 32 mm. So for that I will select the front face. I will select this face. I will go to circle, create the hole. So its diameter is 20. and then we will go to pocket, and here we will input the depth, that is 32. फाइनली यहाँ पर मुझे क्रिएट करना है ये circular holes. So all these circular holes are of diameter 6 and distance from the center is 25. So again, if you see in the side view, ये holes इस particular face से start हो रहे हैं like this. So and again the depth of this particular hole is 12. So again I will go to sketch, I will select this particular face. Now here while drawing the circle, आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि इस सर्कल का सेंटर वर्टिकल एक्सिस पर प्रॉपरली अलाइन होना चाहिए. सो ये मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? जब मैं ये सर्कल को प्लेस कर रहा हूँ, सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एक ये ब्लू मार्कर लाइन आ रही है. सो दिस इज शोइंग दैट बाय डिफॉल्ट दिस सेंटर इज automatically getting light on the vertical axis. So now I will input the diameter 6 and distance from the center is 25. So here I will input the distance to this center 25. Now exit. The depth is 12 mm, so I will go to pocket and यहाँ पर हम input करेंगे 12 mm. Now as per the design मुझे ये holes total 3 चाहिए. So what I can do, मैं इस cutout को pattern कर सकता हूँ या copy कर सकता हूँ. So to make it copied, here we have a option called as circular pattern. सर्कुलर पैटर्न एक सर्कुलर वे में किसी भी सेलेक्टेड फीचर या फीचर्स को कॉपी करता है. नाउ हियर आई विल इनपुट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ होल्स इंक्लूडिंग द ओरिजिनल. सो इट इज 3. नाउ एज इन द ड्राइंग, ये जो तीनों होल्स हैं दे आर प्लेस्ड इन अ 360 डिग्री सर्कल. सो इस कंडीशन को अगर हमको यहाँ इनपुट करना है, so directly we will select the option complete crown, and on which reference this hole will be placed. So for reference element I will select this particular face and then OK. So automatically by using complete crown option, software understand कर लेता है that if the total number of holes is 3, then angle between center of two holes will be automatically 360 divided by 3. फाइनली मुझे यहाँ पे बनाना है ये अपर सिलेंडर. नाउ फॉर क्रिएटिंग दिस सिलेंडर, this particular cylinder is lying at a distance of 16 mm from the center. Now for this what I will have to do, I will have to create a plane from the center at a distance of 16 mm. So I will go to plane, I will select the center plane as a reference जहाँ से मुझे distance देना है. I will mention the distance as 16. And again we will go to sketch, we will select this particular plane. Now here the diameter of the circle is mentioned as 16. So I will draw the circle and then we will first input the dimension, that is 16. एंड सिंस ये सर्कल प्रॉपरली यहाँ सेंटर पे लाई करना चाहिए, सो आइदर फ्रॉम दिस एज या दिस एज वी हैव टू गिव द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेंटर हाफ ऑफ द टोटल डिस्टेंस. सो दिस टोटल लेंथ इज 20, सो हियर द डिस्टेंस विल बी 10. नाउ एज पर द डिज़ाइन ये जो सिलेंडर है ये प्रॉपरली इस बेस सिलेंडर पर मर्ज होना चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई कैन डू, इन एक्सट्रूड मुझे यहाँ पर एक ऑप्शन पिक करना पड़ेगा, up to surface, and in up to surface I will select this cylinder as the reference surface, then preview. So here you can see that automatically this cylinder gets merged as per the geometry of this base cylinder. So now in the drawing we can see ये cylinder यहाँ opposite side में भी है. So instead of recreating it, I will just mirror it. So here we will go to mirror tool, yes, and then I will select the center plane to mirror it, then OK. Finally यहाँ पर मुझे इस सिलेंडर के एजेस को स्मूथ करना है, यहाँ पर फिलेट देना है of radius 3. So here I will go to round command or fillet command. I will select the edge of the two circles and here we will input the radius as 3 mm. Enter. So in this manner we have completed the part. In the next part I will describe how to create the production drawing of the same job from this particular 3D part. Thank you for listening.